near him. Ina, Abdoina, Kausa, Wasal, Ra, Bikawan, Har, Inasa, Bikawan, Habata, and the name of Allah most treasured was merciful. Indeed, we have granted you a prophet, abundant goodness, so pray and sanctify Allah alone, only the one, and to hate you is truly cut off from any goodness.
MashaAllah, thank you so much for that wonderful recitation.